Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12. The Hero 12 Black 8 out of 10 wired recommends picks up where the Hero 11 left off and adds better battery life, smarter stabilization, support for log video, wireless mic support, and a tripod mount. It's everything we love about the Hero 11 with some added bonuses. There is one downside though: GoPro dropped GPS support from the Hero 12. The Hero series has always stood above its competitors when it comes to image stabilization, arguably the most important feature in an action camera. The Hero 12 Black brings HyperSmooth 6, GoPro's name for its image stabilization software, which offers better stabilization with even less cropping. Couple this with the much improved battery life and less overheating, and the GoPro Hero 12 is our top pick for most people. Number 2. DJI Action 4. DJI's Action 4, 8 out of 10 wired recommends, is a fantastic action camera. The magnetic mounting system is the best we've tried, the menu system makes switching between modes a snap, and the resulting photos and video are great. There are 2 places I think the GoPro Hero 12 edges ahead. The big one is 5.3K video. The other is stabilization, particularly horizon lock, which I found less reliable on the Action 4. That said, this is an awesome camera and it integrates well into the DJI ecosystem. If you have a DJI drone or DJI mics, 8 out of 10 wired recommends, and plan to mix together footage, I would pick this over the Hero 12 because of how seamlessly DJI's various tools works together. Number 3. Insta360 Ace Pro. If you're going to be filming yourself at all, the Insta360 Ace Pro, 8 out of 10 wired recommends, is the camera to get. It has a great lens and sensor co-engineered with Leica, but the real must-have feature for vlogging is the flip-up screen. While other action cameras offer a small front screen to compose selfies, on the Ace Pro the entire back screen flips up, offering a huge screen to compose with. It also makes it easy to shoot from the hip and other unusual angles. The video quality is on par with both our previous picks, using a sensor the same size as the DJI Action 4's. The Ace Pro also offers great battery life and a magnetic mounting system that's different than DJI's, but also excellent. There's also a non-pro version of the Ace that's cheaper, but it lacks some of the higher-end video features. If you can afford it, the Ace Pro is the way to go, but if you can't and still want the flip-up screen, the Ace gets the job done. Number 4. Insta360 One RS. Do you want an action cam? How about a 360-degree cam? The answer is, you want both, and now you can get both in one package. Insta360's One RS, 8 out of 10 wired recommends, eliminates the debate by bringing interchangeable lenses to the action camera. There are 3 lenses, or mods: a 4K mod that mirrors what you'll get from the other cameras on this page, a dual-lens 360-degree camera, and a wide-angle Leica lens paired with a 1-inch sensor that's capable of capturing 5K video. The best value lies in pairing the 4K mod with the 360 mod, but if you can afford it, the Leica 1-inch mod delivers some of the best video quality I've seen from an action camera. The updated Insta360 One RS differs from its predecessor in both the 4K mod, which can now shoot 5.2K video, and the processor, which brings the company's motion smoothing algorithm to the camera, rather than requiring the app. I also like that Insta360 regularly adds new features and improvements via firmware updates, rather than releasing a whole new camera body every year. Number 5. Insta360 Go 3S. Insta360's Go 3S, 9 out of 10 wired recommends, is a hybrid camera that transforms from a traditional action camera form factor to a more portable go-anywhere wearable camera. In action camera mode, it's much like everything else in this guide. The flip-up rear screen is very similar to the company's Ace Pro. The Go 3 isn't fully waterproof in this mode, which is a significant downside, but when you remove the camera from the case, the camera itself is waterproof to 33 feet 10 meters. The case can also continue to act as a remote monitor even when you pull the camera out. Couple that with the extremely strong magnetic mounting system on the camera pod, and the Go 3 becomes capable of shots and angles that no other camera in this guide can match. Most importantly though, this camera is just plain fun. I keep mine in my bag all the time and find myself using it more and more. The Go 3S brought the video resolution to 4K, which makes it easy to combine with footage from other cameras. The simplicity and ease of shooting with the Go 3S are hard to match. Just stick it somewhere and do your thing. The only real downside is that there's no SD card. For that reason I suggest spending the extra money for the larger 128GB model. Number 6. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The Hero 11 Black, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, remains a fantastic camera, and if you want GPS support to record details like your track or speed, this is the GoPro to get. It has the same sensor and processor as the new Hero 12, though it is missing the latest generation stabilization. What makes the Hero 11 compelling though is that it's only $350, and that it drops even lower during sales events like Black Friday/Cyber Monday. If you see it around $300, don't hesitate to grab one. Number 7. Insta360 X4 360 camera. The line between action camera and 360 camera continues to blur. While I am generally a fan of things that do one thing well, Insta360's X4, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, is a compelling argument that sometimes a camera can be great at two things. This hybrid 360/action camera offers 8K 360 footage in a tiny, consumer-friendly package. When you're not feeling like 360 footage, switch to single lens mode and use it like a 4K action cam. The X4 is slim, relatively lightweight, and can shoot very high resolution and fun. Don't forget fun. 72MP spherical images. The result is a camera that's great for people who primarily shoot 360 footage but want to occasionally shoot something more action-oriented.